In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly search for specific information in an Excel spreadsheet. This is a remarkably handy skill, especially when you're dealing with large volumes of data and need to pinpoint certain entries quickly. Imagine you have a spreadsheet packed with all kinds of data, and your task is to locate every instance of the word Florida. It might seem daunting at first, but with Excel's built-in tools, you'll have this sorted in no time. First, navigate to the Find and Select menu in Excel. This is nestled conveniently in the Home tab, right in the Editing group towards the far right of your interface. Once you're there, click on Find. A dialog box will pop up, and this is where the magic happens. In the Find What field, you'll type in Florida, or whatever specific term you're looking to find. Make sure your spelling and any required capitalization are correct, as Excel's find function is case-sensitive by default unless specified otherwise. Now, with the term entered, you have a couple of options at your disposal. You can go ahead and select Find Next. This button will sequentially take you through each location in the spreadsheet where Florida appears, allowing you to see the context for each instance. This method is particularly useful if you're looking to investigate each occurrence to determine its relevance or make individual changes. Alternatively, if you prefer to get an overview, or if you're looking to make batch updates, click on Find All. This action will generate a list of all instances with their accompanying cell references and a snippet of the surrounding content. From this list, you can click on any occurrence, and Excel will jump directly to that location in your spreadsheet. This is a fantastic way to get a comprehensive view and navigate quickly without losing your place. And just like that, you've effectively harnessed the Find function in Excel to track down your data. It's simple, efficient, and saves you heaps of time compared to manually searching through the entire document. Whether you're a seasoned Excel user or just getting started, mastering this tool will certainly boost your efficiency. By integrating these techniques into your routine, you'll spend less time searching and more time analyzing or presenting your data, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made your Excel navigation just a bit easier. Feel free to explore more features within Excel's Find and Select tool to discover additional ways it can aid your data handling tasks.